Right, just got back into the vehicle now, and I don't know whether you're going to pick this up on camera or not, but there's a typical example of a plant that I'm finding here, and just to show you what the soil type is like. I don't know whether you will pick it up. I'm going to make a mess in the vehicle now, but you know, that is pretty as close to sand as you would ever wish to get. It's got slightly more body in than some of the blowaway sand there, but it's fairly gritty, and its moisture holding capabilities are not brilliant. Throw that out, and just to let you look at some of the green leaf retention we've managed to hold on to. Quite a lot of dead leaf in the bottom. Some of these are attached to, if you can pick that one out, attached to a tiller that really we don't want. And if that was to shed itself, that would be fantastic, because if it clings on to life, all it's going to do is reduce nitrogen uptake into some of these main tillers that we want to keep. One thing I am spotting a little bit of, and I don't know whether I can bring it to the camera, a little bit of stem-based mildew there on that dead and dying tiller. You probably can't pick that up, but there is a little bit of stem mildew on there. Not too concerned about that. Rooting's pretty good. Flag leaf's present there, and the ear is not far behind it, so you know we ought to be on with T2s. The fact that T1s were slightly delayed means that we can sort of get the most out of the T1, but we'll get recommendations out and consider what we're going to do here onto the plant of this size in relation to what diseases we're finding. Now, one thing I am not going to do is try and persuade people that even though it's been a dry time, we could cut back on T2 fungicides. The pressure from disease, you talk to a lot of people, oh, the pressure from disease is bound to be low. Wrong. There is quite a bit of fairly bad infections of triticide, Septoria triticide, and the odd outbreak of yellow rust. Luckily, from what I've seen on any crops that I look after, we're escaping those, and that's probably because I'm a coward, and we went on with a T0 just to hold things at bay. And then, although we didn't put what I would call a robust T1 on, we certainly didn't leave the T0 out or reduce it to the point where it did nothing. That's a waste of time. You might as well spend 10 quid wisely as 6 or 7 quid badly, if you see what I'm saying. So yeah, I'm quite happy with what I'm seeing now, so we'll go on to the next field.